Hi, this is Jason Roberts, founder and CEO of Secure Connect Solutions, and thank you for tuning in to this week's edition of Videri Vibes. On this episode of Videri Vibes, I'll be running through the installation process for the Spark 4 digital canvas. In this video, you'll notice that I start with the template already on the wall. Basically, I figured out where I wanted my canvas to be installed on, and I put the template exactly where I wanted the canvas to be installed. And from there, it's super simple. I played around my hyperlapse setting on this video just to cut down the time that it would take for you guys to watch the installation. Total of about 20 seconds in video time, but the overall installation time was about 5 to 10 minutes. And once I figured out the correct size drill bit to use, that cut down the time significantly. So if I knew that from the jump, probably about a 5-minute install. Super simple to do DIY style for you small business owners out there. But I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you next week.
It's gonna be a good day, a good vibe. Order in a little Postmates in my time. Turn the music up on a long drive. Make a